got Lexus here today. Her first time getting adjusted. She's a little nervous. She does video tutorials, like stuff like makeup stuff on Instagram. She also works in the nightlife, so builds up a lot of pressure. Especially the phone is the worst. So get your head up while you're on the phone right now looking at it. Back pain?
Yeah, definitely.
Lower back?
For sure.
Okay. Her ear is a little bit forward. You ready? She's looking at. She's looking. Excellent. Oh, nice. Drop those arms. Ooh.
Yo. I felt mad good though, I'm not gonna lie. That's crazy.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh. I believe my headband was about to slip off of that. No, that feels so good.
Good.
I did it.
No, you're not finished yet.
No?
No. Oh, the pressure builds up. Looking down at the phone, sitting at a desk, so your shoulders, everything collapses here. We got to open. Compress right down the midline.
Oh, shit. Wow.
Oh, wow. Woof. Boom. He's definitely more upright here. So how do you feel?
I felt great, honestly. I was really nervous, but you did your thing.
That was awesome. Exactly. Never be afraid to get adjusted. Boom.